Hi and good evening everyone. Today we will be discussing on the impact of social media on the first time voters, the political mind space which is getting into the social media platforms in a very strong way, um, how it is going to impact the voting decisions, the first time voters voting decisions. The Mindspace 2019, as we call it in our project for the students of journalism at Bennett University. We were discussing this with the youngsters. They did a survey also among the urban first time voters and the rural first time voters. And in a way, there was clear cut evidence that social media is impacting the decisions of first time voters in the urban areas. But when it comes to the rural segment, the social media platforms are not really putting it that way to impact the voters. The decisions are mostly driven by the elders at home and the party cadres which really work hard to get a sense of political understanding among the youngsters, the first time voters. But in urban areas, there are certain kind of understanding about the social media in the youngsters, especially voters of the age group of 18 to 25. They get the information which can influence them to vote for a particular party. So this is very clear that there is a segment of votes which will be impacted by the social media, say content delivery by the political parties. And it could be one reason why almost all political parties in India in these elections are putting up more concentrated efforts in delivery of content which will make the young voters vote for them. In a way, it is true that certain segments of earlier understanding about social media is being validated by in one area, which is the fake news polarization, which many people now know what are fake and what are not. So it will be difficult for the content planners for this particular election. The political parties have to be very careful to not confuse the people.